the troubling revelation of an alleged annual 13.7 billion naira payroll fraud rocking the administration of Governor Adeleke, as disclosed by the chairman, chief executive officer of Sally Tibot Consulting Limited, Sadat Otu, has once again vindicated our party and confirmed our patriotic posture over the last 3 years of the Senator Adeleke administration. The Chief of Staff, who reportedly heads the Implementation Committee on the Staff Audit Report submitted by Sally Tibot Consulting Limited, holds the people of Osun and Nigerians at large a transparent explanation regarding the handling of the findings. So also the businessman and Governor Adeleke's mentor, Dr. Deji Adeleke. The seriousness of these allegations demands immediate and thorough investigation by relevant anti-corruption agencies. Those found culpable must be held accountable in accordance with the law to safeguard taxpayers' funds and restore confidence in public administration.
So what we want is this. We want the agency in charge of financial misappropriation to investigate this matter. We want ICPC to come in. We want EFCC to come in. And we want the public to also speak out